Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my project right here for Emerging Technology Final Project. My name is Teras Nindra with an RP of 5026221058. And here's my final project. I'm in a game called Memory Match. So basically, this game require you to match a two card together to get a score. And then the faster you can match all of the card, the better the score is in the leaderboard. So here's my code. I'll show you the game demo very soon. Please do note that I'm running this game not on emulator on Windows, but rather on my uh, Android phone. So let's enjoy and let's take a look at the demo.
It's basically the game that we're gonna take a demo on. So first of all, maybe I'll take the demo on the how to register an account. So here, click register and click just add a random username. For example, here I select Tahu, and this is put in your email. For example, here is my name and my email. Sorry. And then the password, I just say like okay. And then now that you have logged in, let me see that this is the leaderboard that I make. This is all the email, all the account that has been registered, and here we have the records of their play. We have how many times they move and how many seconds they got into the game. And let's take a look at the demo of the game. So when we press play here, we have 12 different cards that we need to match. So I'm gonna try to play the game. Okay, so I have 11 move with 20 seconds, and I'm not now gonna go back to main menu and check the high score, and let's see. So here it is at the number 9. I have 11 move and 26 seconds, so the leaderboard working perfectly. So yeah, I think that's it to demonstrate the game of memory match.
Okay, so now that the demo is already done, let's move on into the next sections, which is the code itself. So let's start with the main.dart. So in this code is basically just to call every method, every class that we have, every logic, and also the model and also the provider. And this is where we run the main code. Okay, next, let's take a look into the screens here. I have the game screen, which is basically the the UI of the gameplay itself. And then next we have this is the home screen. This is how I style and how I made the simple home screen at the very beginning of the demo. This is the leaderboard one. This is to call the leaderboard logic and also connected to the Firebase database for each account that has been made. Next, we have the login screen. As you can see, this is just for the login itself, and then the register, and this is for register. Maybe I'm take a look more into the game screen itself. So, so the main functions of this game screen is just to regulate how the UI is going to be and not the game logic itself. For example, here, uh, this whole this whole code is for showing the winning message when you have matched all of the card. So it's basically just show what happened from the logic behind that we're gonna cover in the game provider here. And so here is the main logic of the game itself. So we have the logic where the player starts and when the rounds end here, and also the timer, the start and the measurement of the timer to obtain the score on the leaderboard. And then this is the main logic of the card flipping. And here's the state where the card is matched. By the way, uh, all the card conditions is mentioned this card model right here. Yeah. Okay. And this is the card widget itself to for me to this to animate the card and building the card content and etc. Okay, so and this is the Firebase that I've used. So first of all, let's take a look at the I've built two, which is authentications and the Firestore database itself. So as you can see right here, this is the account that been made in the memory match game. So the first one is uh this is the users. There's a data on when does it create and the UID of the unique UID of each user, and then the signing method. Right now I am only using the email and password, but I'm not sure that you can also use other factors, for example, like birth date or telephone number and etc. This is the template if I want to make a email recovery. For example, you add some sort of uh, forget password features, and this is the database itself. This is the record of each game played by each account. Yeah, so I think that's basically it. Okay, so I think that's all for me. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment below. Thank you.